Starting your dumbbell journey at home.
Building strength with dumbbells is a great way to train at home, no matter your experience. With just one pair, you can target every major muscle group. This guide walks you through a step-by-step progression, starting with basic movements and advancing to more challenging routines, ensuring continual progress and safe technique along the way.
Fundamental dumbbell exercises for beginners.
If you're new to dumbbells, focus on foundational exercises. Key moves include goblet squats, dumbbell bench or floor presses, bent over rows, and standing shoulder presses. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps each. This stage is about learning proper form, building endurance, and getting comfortable with the weight.
Progressing to intermediate routines.
As strength and confidence grow, it's time to advance. Incorporate split squats, single arm rows, lateral raises, and Romanian deadlifts. Use slightly heavier dumbbells and add a third or fourth set. Include supersets, pairing 2 exercises back to back to increase intensity and challenge your muscles in new ways.
Advanced dumbbell challenges at home.
Ready to push further? Try complex movements such as Turkish get-ups, renegade rows, single-leg Romanian deadlifts, and dumbbell snatches. Combine upper and lower body exercises for full-body circuits. Focus on slower tempo, balance, and strict form, aiming for 5 sets of lower reps. Rest is needed for quality over quantity.
Tips for safe and effective progression.
No matter your level, always warm up, prioritize good form, and listen to your body. Gradually increase weight or reps only when you can complete your current routine comfortably. Give muscles at least 48 hours to recover and adjust your workouts to match your individual goals. Consistency and patience are key for ongoing improvement.